did coming back come about?
I mean, we had a feeling. The good thing about knowing that a show is going to end is it gives everybody time to prepare and ideally do some follow-ups. So, in terms of like the rest of the cast, that like Tyler, Hecklin, and Colton, and everybody who came back, we all talked to them so sad. Like, you're doing it. Okay, we're all doing it. We have to go back. So it was a blast. I mean, it was it's sort of bigger budget, big stuff that happened at the end of the season. So it's a lot of work, a lot of hours, but it's also like being back in the old days, back on what feels like summer camp. We had so much fun at the Twin so I'm so glad.
Is there a way in particular that you wanted your character's storyline to sort of reintegrate and then wrap up?
Yeah.
Did it happen the way you wanted it to?
I can't tell you what happens, but yeah.
Tell us everything.
There's an aspect I think y'all will see pretty soon, but we wanted to, celebrate not only the fans and how much love we've gotten from them and what the show's done for us, but how being part of Team changed us forever, how we carried that out in the world and bring that back to the show. So I think you'll see what I'm talking about.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Sorry, the lighting is
You're gonna keep me in your heart after the end of the show.
I mean, like, what was so fun for us, for my brother and I, when we were first on the show, is getting to do that journey from being part of the bad guys to part of the good guys. And, we left, and we kind of left on this sad note. But what I got to discover about Ethan throughout that was sort of a snarkier, funnier, sweet side. So kind of taking that back in and, being... Where did Ethan go after the death of his brother, and what kind of person is he on his own? So that's what it was really good.
What do you think, could you tease a little bit about what led him to come back to Beacon Hill?
Yeah, I think we had just really gotten to be a part of the pack this season. Finally accepted as part of the pack, especially with Aiden's sacrifice. And, being a part of that pack when you're called back.
Now there are some, obviously new characters that Ethan has experienced since, he left.
Yeah.
Is he going to butt heads? How's that dynamic going to change?
I mean, I think you'll see, maybe you've seen in the trailer already, there's practically a huge war going on. So when we come back, we get thrown right in the middle of everything and kind of get our bearings, figure out what's going on, who's good, who's bad. And that's definitely
What about meeting up with Jackson? How did that happen? Or can you talk a little bit about that? What about that slow-mo scene when you were walking down the hallway? That was good.
Yeah, thank you. That was fun. It was fun. It's fun when there's sort of a meta aspect to any scene.
Yeah.
And with that scene, it really was walking in the hall and saying, "It is so good to be back."
Yeah, it did feel like a welcome home kind of scene.
Yeah. And Colt and I just had a blast. We were together for a lot of the shooting.
A lot of the shooting.
Can you tell us how much you're actually in the last part of the season? I'll just keep going to ask you all these leading
all the
questions.
good stuff.
Yeah. I think there's a couple. The trailer happened so fast, but there are definitely a couple of screenshots floating out there that give you a sense of, who's involved and how long it's going.
Well, with it all over, was there anything you managed to snag from the set?
Oh yeah, you have to keep a couple of those nails for fun. And the teeth. Everybody, one of the coolest things about Teen Wolf is the first day, for everyone I think, was going and meeting up with the SFX team, getting your teeth, your contacts, and then learning about how to do the nails and any of the prosthetic pieces. But the teeth, it's like you're welcome and you're goodbye. So kept those.
Will you wear them again?
Yeah. As long as stuff doesn't shift around. Have to keep in shape.
What about being chained to that fence with Colton? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
I will tell you that was that was early on, and that was one of the longest days I've ever had on a set anywhere. Because we walked into that room, we walked into that set,
Yeah.
saw a bucket of cold water, went.
And you were like,
That's
no,
not for us, is it? Because you forget when you're watching something that it'll be about 10, maybe 15 takes from every angle, and every angle there was electricity and cold water involved. So it was a very long, We called it Spot.
I mean, with laughing and just filming, it had to take a long time. God, especially tied up next to Colton.
Worst places to be.
Was there any character you previously hadn't interacted with that you were most excited to maybe share a scene with and kind of work with?
I mean, I think some of the new guys, yeah, to see, that's what's so fun, but so different. I mean, there was sort of what we call affectionately as like first class and then second generation. So to kind of get to work, I've spent a lot of time with Sprayberry and some of the newer cast members, but to really get to work with them and spend time on set, that's great.
Yeah.
It kind of brings things full circle.
Well, what was it like putting the prosthetics back on again after so long? I mean, 'cause it's an intense experience.
It is an intense experience. It's cool. I think, 6 seasons in, it's so streamlined that what used to take hours to make a trailer is really very fast. And the SFX team at Team Wolf is really one of the best in the world. Same with the stunt guys. Everybody's there to make you look good and make you feel comfortable. So it was really, we were on new sound stages and a whole new setting. It was really like being back at home and in the most efficient, professional space you could ask to be in.
What other long-running TV show would you love to be in?
I am a self-professed geek for a minute. Game of Thrones, I don't think there's much of a chance. Just holding out, but I guess I need a British passport. We'll see. I'm excited for Stranger Things. I'm excited for kind of fall, right? Everything's about to launch. So we'll see where we end. Hopefully out in that superhero universe.
What did you geek out about as a kid? I'm from fandom, so
yeah. I was big X-Men fan. Like the original. I mean, I wasn't allowed to watch a lot of TV, especially at my mom's. But my older brother did sneak. I think we had like a Sega Genesis that we would sneak in the basement. So I remember playing the X-Men video game, and sometimes being able to watch that X-Men cartoon, the '90s one, and then having all of the original edition.
like a role in the franchise?
I mean, I would love to put on a cape.
Do you get to like walk around when you're here and actually get to see anything?
Yeah,
or?
yeah, definitely. We were just down on the floor.
Oh, nice.
It's crazy.
Overwhelming?
Yeah, well, I mean, because there are cons all over the world, right? But San Diego Comic Con's so special because everybody's giving it their all. It's so palpable, all of the energy on the floor. So walking in, you just go, wow, this is a pop culture celebration, isn't it? There's when we've been around San Diego, kind of hanging out, you'll see these banners that say, celebration of the popular arts. And you're like, oh, that's what we do. Yeah,
That's right. I know it's so much nicer than like pop culture. Popular arts just sounds so fancy.
It's so fancy.
So fancy. Were there any panels that you would have wanted to see if you would have had time?
Ooh, I mean, I have been checking on my phone.
Yeah.
I admire anybody who can sit and wait that long. I'm not a blind person at all. I would turn into such a douchebag.
They have the Gifted. Gifted is like X-Men verse.
Oh yeah, no, I know. Gifted. There's the other one on Hulu now too. Inhumans
Runaways.
and Runaways.
Yeah.
So a whole lot of sort of.
Like, I'm gonna geek out and go hard.
When I've been checking my phone, reading all about what's coming out, what's been revealed.
You can get tested for the mutant gene down on the lawn. Yeah, they're doing like a cheek swab and telling you if you have the X gene.
And what happens? Like, do people just flip out?
I would,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's
Like
true.
I super want to go get tested, and then I think they do a real DNA
Everybody
test
should get
too
tested.
and send it to you.
Guys,
It
get
is a
tested.
real DNA test. It's by my heritage DNA.
Oh wow.
Oh really?
They gave me-
Oh god, I totally want to do it. I totally want to do it. I just want to have a sticker that says you have the X gene.
Nice.
That would be so good.
I was just gonna say, who's your favorite person that you've gotten to meet at the con? Like, who have you geeked out over meeting
At the
while
con,
you're here? Yeah.
Man, that's tough. I'm friends with a couple of people in Legion, so getting to meet that whole cast was great. It all happened. It's such a blur that you're just like. I think I'm excited for tonight. Tonight is Nerd HQ.
Yeah. Is it?
The fandom fest is
Fandom
tonight.
Fest, and then Nerd HQ is
Is that tonight too?
I think so.
Okay.
You're asking.
I thought they weren't going to be here.
No,
They're doing
well, they're
dance
doing a party.
parties.
Though,
Oh, it's a
right?
party.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, tonight is the party for you all. Our party is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll be awesome. And then are you staying through the rest of the weekend to like hang out?
No,
and
I
stuff?
actually have to run off to New York. I've got another job on the table that I'm excited about.
Can you talk about
I
that?
can't. But I know that there will be news breaking tomorrow about something else. Like that.
Breaking tomorrow?
Yeah.
All
So
right.
keep an eye out.
Yeah.
Keep an eye out. Awesome.
Ear to ear.
You talked about a lot about at the panel yesterday how like this show's like really influenced you as well. And, like,
Yeah.
Seeing the fans, so do you guys carry that with you while you're filming, especially these final 10 episodes?
Absolutely, and I think part of these last 10 episodes is really honoring them. I couldn't have asked. I've been lucky to get to work on a couple of different shows, but this cast in particular is so close and really encourages each other on a personal level to go for it, be who you are. And I don't think I would be the person I am today without having had that family around me and without having had this family to kind of have undying and unconditional support. So,
In particular, you used the word authenticity
Yeah.
yesterday, and
Yeah.
I thought that's so accurate because there's a level of that with the cast that I feel brings that out in the fans, and then it sort of goes back and forth.
yeah, it goes back and forth.
Have you had similar fan interactions in other things that you've done, or is this kind of above everything else?
I mean, I think that's definitely special to the Team family, 100%. What's so cool as an actor and getting to jump around and do different projects is like, I was a huge Damon Lindelof fan before I got to work on The Leftovers. So getting to kind of talk with somebody who has such extensive knowledge of the universe he's created and to have this like really kind of intellectual and creative satisfaction, that's what was special about working on that show. And with this show, it's really like all about love and good times. Of course the mythology too. But
Yeah.
each project has something that you take from it. And as I might have said yesterday, that's sort of what I took from this one.
Awesome.
How would you describe your development from the first episode you were in to the your latest?
Wow, yeah, that's a good question. I think, in the first episode, you're just kind of getting your bearings on set. And I was working with my brother. So we were, despite trying to look all badass, we were scared. And there really is, like, you have to hand it to any actor who has to put in fangs and prosthetics to do that first roar or that first growl. That's scary because you go, am I going to look like an idiot? And then now coming back, 3-4 years later, it's just time to kind of play, to enjoy the experience being on set, and I think that ultimately shows up on camera. Oh, wrap it
Thank
up.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so
Such a good
much.
weekend.